German Shepherds, a comprehensive guide to their care and maintenance. German Shepherds are one of the most popular dog breeds in the world. Known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility, they make excellent pets and working dogs. However, owning a German Shepherd comes with its own set of responsibilities. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore everything you need to know about their care and maintenance. First and foremost, German Shepherds require a balanced and nutritious diet to maintain their overall health and well-being. A high-quality dog food that is specifically formulated for large breeds is recommended. It is important to ensure that the food contains all the necessary nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. Additionally, German Shepherds are prone to certain health issues such as hip dysplasia and digestive problems, so it is essential to consult with a veterinarian to determine the best diet for your furry friend. Regular exercise is crucial for German Shepherds as they are an active and energetic breed. They thrive on physical activity and mental stimulation. Daily walks, playtime, and obedience training are necessary to keep them happy and healthy. German Shepherds also excel in various dog sports such as agility and obedience trials, so engaging them in these activities can be both beneficial and enjoyable for you and your dog. Grooming is another aspect of German Shepherd care. Despite their dense double coat, they do not require frequent baths. However, regular brushing is essential to keep their coat healthy and free from mats and tangles. German Shepherds shed heavily, particularly during the change of seasons, so be prepared to invest time in brushing and vacuuming to keep your home clean. Additionally, regular nail trims, ear cleaning, and dental care are important parts of their grooming routine. Socialization and training are crucial for German Shepherds from a young age. They are highly intelligent and eager to please, making them excellent candidates for obedience training. Early socialization will help them develop good behavior and become well-adjusted dogs. Expose your German Shepherd to various environments, people, and other animals to prevent any fear or aggression issues in the future. Positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats and praise, work best when training German Shepherds. German Shepherds are known for their protective nature, which makes them excellent watchdogs. However, this can also lead to aggression if not properly managed. It is important to establish clear boundaries and rules from the beginning and provide them with consistent training and guidance. Socialize them well to ensure they are comfortable around new people and situations. Healthcare is an integral part of German Shepherd ownership. Regular vet checkups, vaccinations, and preventive treatments for fleas, ticks, and heartworm are necessary. German Shepherds are prone to certain genetic conditions, such as hip and elbow dysplasia, so regular screenings and early intervention can help maintain their health. Pay attention to any signs of discomfort or illness and consult with a veterinarian if needed. Finally, German Shepherds thrive on human companionship and love being part of a family. They are highly loyal to their owners and form strong bonds. Therefore, it is important to spend quality time with your German Shepherd, including playtime, training sessions, and simply lounging on the couch together. Neglecting their emotional needs can lead to behavioral issues such as separation anxiety. In conclusion, German Shepherds are incredible dogs that require proper care and maintenance. From providing a healthy diet to regular exercise, grooming, training, and health care, it is essential to meet all their needs. With the right care, love, and attention, your German Shepherd will be a happy and well-rounded companion for many years to come.